Ever wondered why sometimes your stomach feels like a battlefield? Ever pondered over the mystery of allergies popping up out of nowhere? It's an enigma that begins in a place you might not expect, your gut. Your gut health, often overlooked, is a vital player in your overall wellness. It's a bustling metropolis of microbes, each with a role to play in keeping you healthy. But when the balance of this microscopic city is upset, things can go awry. Have you heard of the term leaky gut? A rather unglamorous term for a crucial issue. It's when the walls of your intestines become less selective about what passes through, leading to unwelcome visitors entering your bloodstream. This can trigger a myriad of health issues, including those pesky, unexpected allergies. But don't worry, unraveling this enigma isn't as daunting as it seems. It's all about understanding two magic words: probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics. They're not some fancy medical term, they're simply the good guys your gut needs. These microscopic superheroes are beneficial bacteria that live in your digestive system. They're like the peacekeepers of your gut, maintaining harmony and balance, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Now, where do these good guys come from? Well, they're naturally found in fermented foods like kimchi and kefir. Kimchi, a Korean delicacy, is packed with probiotics due to its fermentation process. Similarly, kefir, a tart and tangy cultured dairy product, is a probiotic powerhouse. Eating these foods not only delights your taste buds, but also deposits these good guys right where they need to be, in your gut. But what if these foods aren't your cup of tea? No worries, probiotic supplements are here to save the day. They provide a convenient way to ensure you're getting your daily dose of probiotics, helping to keep your gut health in check. You see, these good guys are incredibly important for your gut health. They help break down food, aid in nutrient absorption, and importantly, they form a barrier against harmful bacteria. They're like your gut's personal bodyguards, always on duty to protect you. And let's not forget about allergies. Ever wondered why they occur? Well, a leaky gut is often the culprit. When your gut isn't healthy, it can allow allergens to enter your bloodstream, causing allergies. That's why taking care of your gut is so crucial. So these good guys are essential. But how do we ensure they thrive in our gut? That's where prebiotics come into play. If probiotics are the good guys, prebiotics are the nutritious meals they need to stay strong and healthy. Let's delve deeper into this. Prebiotics are types of dietary fiber that feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. They act as fertilizer for the beneficial bacteria, helping them flourish and outcompete the harmful bacteria. This intricate dance between probiotics and prebiotics is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut ecosystem. Some people might be thinking, why can't I just take probiotics? Why bother with prebiotics? Well, think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a beautiful plant and then forget to water it, would you? Similarly, probiotics need prebiotics to thrive. All right, let's talk about natural sources of prebiotics. Foods such as garlic, onions, and bananas are rich in prebiotics. They're easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Other sources include whole grains, asparagus, and leeks. A diet rich in these foods can help feed your gut's good bacteria. One more thing to note, prebiotics are resistant to heat, which means cooking doesn't destroy them. So whether you prefer your asparagus grilled, steamed, or raw, you'll still be feeding the good guys in your gut. Now that you know about the importance of probiotics and prebiotics, imagine the wonders they can do for your gut health. So, taking care of your gut isn't just about avoiding stomach aches. It's about comprehensive wellness. It's a fascinating truth that the state of your gut plays a pivotal role in your overall health. A well-nourished gut can contribute to a stronger immune system, improved mood, heart health, and even healthy sleep. On the flip side, a leaky gut, where the intestinal lining is compromised, can lead to allergies. This is because undigested foods, toxins, and bacteria can slip through the intestinal walls into your bloodstream, triggering an immune response. The good news? You can nurture your gut health. Include foods rich in probiotics like kimchi and kefir in your diet. Probiotic supplements can also be a great addition. And let's not forget prebiotics, the food for our friendly gut bacteria. The journey to overall wellness starts in your gut. Paying attention to what you feed it and how it feels can make a world of difference. Remember, a happy gut means a healthier you. Isn't it fascinating how much of our health is dictated by our gut? Our journey together doesn't have to end here. If you found this informative and want to keep learning, let's make sure this vital information reaches as many people as possible. Remember, awareness is the first step to a healthier life. Share the knowledge, and let's strive together for a healthier life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you.